This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, the global banking crisis is not a joke. And I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell any stock. I'm not telling you to use a bank or not use a bank. I'm just telling you that every time I focus on a country or I do some DD on a country, that country is having issues with their banking industry. And now it seems that Canada is having a major banking issue where the banks are over leveraged and underfunded. And the Canadians believe that there is evidence that a bank run is coming. And you know, if everybody runs to the bank to take out their money, if you are the last ones getting to the bank, your money will not be there. I'm not exactly sure what the percentage is in Canada, but in the United States, those guys have 1 or 2% of the money on hand, if that much. Okay? And when the regulators try to increase the amount of money that the banks had to keep on the books, they fought, they talked to their buddies in Congress, and they let them get away with having a little bit of real cash on hand. So I'm sure that Canada only has a percentage of the money they're supposed to have on hand also. And when that bank run happens, which is what they believe is going to happen, when it happens, what do you think is going to happen all over the world? Canada's a major player. A lot of people might not think that because, a lot of people, like they have a problem with Canada. A lot of people have a problem with Canada, especially South Park. South Park has a problem with Canada. But me personally, I think the Canadians are very nice. A lot of times they're nicer than Americans. A lot of times they are nicer than Americans. I've had interactions with Canadians, and they come across as very nice. A lot of times I thought that they were like us, but they're not like us. They are not like us. I thought they were, but they're not like us. But anyway, bottom line is this. The Canadian banking system is in trouble, and they're hanging on by their fingernails also. They're hanging on by their fingernails also. They're over-leveraged. They're underfunded. And I believe that after the election, we're going to see a lot of global changes in the finance industry. Bottom line. And this is going to be very, very bad for the naked shorters. Because when the banks don't have money, when the banks can't keep the lights on, they're not able to lend high-risk loans to these bad actors so they can naked short AMC, GME, and other stocks. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think that if there's a bank run in Canada, will that have an effect or a domino effect all over the planet? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.